Okay, I am an avid cigar smoker and I really like to keep an eye on the humidification in my humidors, and a lot of the humidors I buy are the cheaper ones, generally speaking, with the actual analog meter, and those things, in my opinion, aren't always very accurate. So even when it does have one of those, I buy these things. They're tiny, they don't take up much space, they're very reasonably priced. They come in packs of sometimes like 2 or 5 or 6, and you can just also throw this inside of your humidor to make sure that the analog hygrometer is actually matching to the digital hygrometer, to make sure that both of them are working correctly. A lot of times you'll find that when you buy a cheaper humidor, that analog hygrometer doesn't work at all, or it's completely off, or it needs calibrated, and you'll never know that until you put in a backup to see where your relative humidity is actually at. And this brand specifically came with backup batteries, extra batteries to put in it for when this one goes out, which is a nice touch, and little 3M sticky tape so you can stick it to the inside of your humidor, on the side of the wall, wherever. Now these are a little bit too big to fit inside of the hole on most of the humidors, so I don't take out the analog and put in the digital. I leave the analog in there and just throw one of these inside of there also, so I can monitor both of them to make sure that my humidity is where I want it. So if you are looking for a solution to keep track of your humidity, even if you have an analog hygrometer in your humidor, I still recommend grabbing these as well. This is what I use and I would definitely recommend them.